Today I'm cooking a simple pork rib soup with pickled mustard green. It's slightly sour, very savory, and very simple to make. This recipe is for 4 to 6 servings. The ingredients needed are 1.1 kilograms of baby back ribs or short pork ribs, 600 grams of pickled mustard green or sayosin, 1.5 liters of water, 150 grams of carrots cut into large chunks, 20 grams of cilantro leaves for garnishing, 60 grams of garlic smashed, 170 grams of yellow onions cut into large chunks, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half tablespoon of salt, half teaspoon of pepper, quarter teaspoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. The full list of ingredients is in the See More link. First, marinate the ribs with 2/3 of the salt. Rub to evenly spread the salt. Turning the ribs over, sprinkle the remaining of the salt and repeat until the salt is well distributed. Set aside. Next, prepare the pickled mustard green. Separate the stem from the leaves. Cut the leaves into bite-sized pieces and place it in a heat-proof basin. Repeat for the stem as well. Make sure to cut the long pieces into half. Add it together with the leaves. For the core of the stem, cut it into quarters before cutting into bite-sized pieces. Place it with the leaf and stems. Then pour hot boiling water into the basin until all the vegetables are fully submerged. Let it soak for about 1 minute. This removes some of the brine in the vegetable. After 1 minute, drain all the water in a strainer over the heat-proof basin and set aside. In a stainless steel pan, switch on the heat to medium and add all the cooking oil. Let it heat up for about 1 minute or until warm. Then add the garlic and yellow onions. Fry until aromatic and the onions are translucent. This takes about 1.5 minutes. After the garlic is slightly browning and the onions are translucent and fragrant, add all the pork ribs, carrots, sesame oil, and pepper. Stir to mix the seasoning, the meat, and the herbs evenly. When they are all well distributed, cover the pan. Reduce the heat to medium-low and cook it for about 25 minutes. After about 7 minutes, give it a stir. The ribs had released some gravy. Cover the pan and continue to cook for about 20 more minutes. Slow cooking the ribs helps it release the juice slowly from the ribs to the gravy. This is important. Make sure to stir occasionally to evenly cook and prevent it from burning. After 20 minutes, the ribs has released a lot of gravy. All the ribs has turned grey in color and it is quite fragrant as well. Add in all the mustard greens and 1.5 liters of water. Stir to submerge all the ingredients. Next, add the sugar and the oyster sauce. Stir to mix until the seasoning and the ingredients are evenly distributed. Cover the pan. Raise the temperature to medium heat and continue to cook for 1.5 hours. Stir occasionally to rotate the ingredients and evenly cook them. After 35 minutes, the pork rib soup is boiling vigorously now. Give it a stir to evenly cook the ribs. See, there is still a lot of gravy and the smell so good. Cover the pan and continue to cook until the hour is up. After 1 hour, the gravy has reduced quite a lot and pork ribs looks really soft. Give the soup another stir. Poke the fork through the meat. Yes, it's tender enough for the fork to go through. Give the soup a taste. More seasoning can be added if preferred, but for this, it's perfect. Switch off the heat. Add most of the chopped cilantro and stir to distribute it. The smell is very appetizing. Dish it out, garnish with the rest of the cilantro, and serve with rice. Let's eat! Wow, so tasty! The gravy is slightly sour, while the pork is very tender and delicious. The pickled mustard green melts in the mouth. It goes so well with rice. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!